Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a website/link to your favorites on Mac. This is super useful if you want quick access to your favorite websites. So let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. At the top, you'll see your favorites bar with apps or sites that are already saved. Now, let's add a new website to it. For example, I'll search for Wikipedia. Once the website opens, look at the top left menu bar in Safari. Here you'll see an option called Bookmarks. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Add Bookmark. A small window will appear. In this window, you can choose where you want to save the bookmark. You'll see two main options: Favorites, Bookmarks. If you want the website to appear directly in your Favorites bar, make sure you select Favorites. Then hit Add. Now, when you look at your favorites in Safari, you'll see Wikipedia added right there. Just one click and you can open it anytime. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mac tips and tutorials.